Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to split the screen on RAZER Blade 15. To use applications in split screen, I'm gonna open a few of them. So it just is, some apps are available to put them in the split screen mode actually. So I'm gonna open two windows of the File Explorer. I'm gonna open my Microsoft Edge, and let's open the settings as well. And now to put apps in split screen, you can either hover over this full screen button, or you can move it to the top and then hover over any option that you want to assign this window to. You can see it resizes and it shows you this milky box where it will be put. So let's put it in traditional full split screen. Then it asks me for the other app, which should be here on the other side, and it's like that. You can also put it differently, like that, or maybe in the middle but make it bigger. Then I'm gonna open the File Explorer here and the Microsoft Edge in here, and you can also, for example, put it like that. And while being in any of those modes, you can resize it. So let's resize it like that, for example, and like that. And you can see it just resizes. And that's basically how you manage these full split screen modes. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.